What if I told you that anyone, yes, even you can build wealth from scratch? No rich parents, no lucky lottery wins, no magic tricks. Just proven steps that the wealthy actually use. If you feel stuck in the cycle of paycheck to paycheck living, or if you're tired of watching others get rich while you struggle to save, this video will change your financial future. I'm going to break down a step-by-step roadmap to wealth, starting from $0. These are the exact strategies used by millionaires, investors, and self-made entrepreneurs. If you follow them, your financial life will never be the same. Stick around until the end because I'll also reveal the #1 mistake that's keeping most people broke. Let's get started. The first step to building wealth isn't about money, it's about mindset. Most people stay broke because they think like consumers, not like investors.
Rich mindset versus poor mindset.
Poor mindset always say I can't afford that.
Wealth mindset says, how can I afford that?
Poor mindset always say I need a job to make money.
Wealth mindset says, I need assets to make money.
The rich buy assets that make them more money. The poor buy liabilities that drain their money. That's why the first rule of wealth is simple. Invest first, spend later.
The 3 stages of wealth building.
Wealth building happens in 3 stages. Each one is important, so let's break them down. Stage 1. The foundation, getting out of survival mode. Step 1. Track every dollar you spend. Most people don't know where their money goes. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or a simple budget. Step 2. Build a $1,000 emergency fund. This stops you from using credit cards for emergencies. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Credit cards, personal loans, and payday loans are wealth killers. Use the debt snowball method, pay smallest debts first, or the debt avalanche method, pay highest interest debts first. Once you control your money instead of letting it control you, you're ready for the next stage.
Stage 2. The growth phase, building income and investments.
Now that you've cleared your financial mess, it's time to grow your money. This is where things get exciting. Step 4. Increase your income. The more you make, the faster you build wealth. Start a side hustle, learn high-income skills, or negotiate a raise. Step 5. Save 50% plus of your income. The fastest way to financial freedom is saving aggressively and investing it wisely. Step 6. Invest in income-producing assets. Here's where most people fail. They save money but don't invest it. Saving alone won't make you rich, investing will.
Stage 3. Financial freedom, living off passive income.
This is the final stage, when your investments make enough money to cover your living expenses so you never have to work again. Step 7. Create multiple income streams. Build passive income from stocks, real estate, and online businesses. Step 8. Optimize your investments, reinvest your earnings, lower your expenses, and automate your financial growth. Step 9. FIRE financial independence. Retire early. Once you hit your FIRE number, 25x your yearly expenses, you can retire early and live off investments. At this point, you don't work for money, money works for you. This is true wealth.
Part 3. The #1 wealth-killing mistake.
Before we wrap up, I need to warn you about the #1 mistake that keeps people broke.
Spending everything you earn.
Rule of wealth. Pay yourself first. Invest at least 20% of every paycheck before spending on anything else. Most people upgrade their lifestyle as soon as they earn more. Don't fall for that trap. Instead, invest first and watch your money grow. Now, you have everything you need to start building wealth from zero, but I have a challenge for you. What's the first step you'll take today?
Like and subscribe for more wealth building tips.
Watch my next video, Best Investments for 2025.